Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Northwest Chinese School Math and Science Program Introduction for the upcoming 2021 to 2022 school year. You'll see on the right side, we have a screenshot of the Northwest Chinese School official website. You can find more detailed information about all of our math and science class offerings there, and you can also register for the classes there as well. All right, to begin, let's talk about the teaching philosophy of our math and science classes. We focus on teaching students how to think mathematically and solve problems elegantly. Now, we also design curriculums from a multi-dimensional perspective. So if you look at that through the enrichment math program, we focus on the breadth of students' understanding. And from the Olympic math program, we focus on the depth of students' understanding. So what I mean by breadth is students' fundamental math skills. And what I mean by depth is being able to apply those fundamental math skills they learn in enrichment math to a more competitive environment. Now, a lot of students and parents ask, well, what math class is the most popular? Which one's the best? Or which teacher is the best? Well, instead of looking at it that way, we want to encourage students to find the math class or science class that is most fit for them. And we strongly believe that there is that class, and we will find that class for you. Now, why do we need to learn math? Well, if you look at this Venn diagram, you'll notice that for math, most of the most important skills for students to have are in the field of math. So as you can see, 7 of those skills are in math, and those skills overlap in other subjects such as language arts and science and technology. Examples of skills that students learn in math include logical reasoning, abstract thinking, spatial thinking, etc. Now let's take a look at our math class offerings in a table. You'll take a look here, you'll see our enrichment math offerings and our math Olympiad offerings. You'll take a look and you'll see the scope of the class, any reference books needed, and how many classes we have offered for those classes. And you'll notice that our enrichment math geometry and enrichment math algebra has 2 offerings on Saturdays, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Now we'll take a look at our science and other classes on the table. As you can see, we offer gifted exploration classes for elementary schools as well, which help them prepare for the gifted program entrance exams. We also have an AP Physics 1 prep class and a Java Programming Basic and Python Programming Basic. If you are interested in the intermediate level or higher, please let us know, and we will do our best to plan ahead and maybe offer those classes as well. Now we'll take a look at our math and science classes in a diagram to give you a more visual perspective of the flow of these classes. You'll notice that students are not limited to just taking Math Olympiad or just limited to just taking enrichment math. If they can take Math Olympiad 1 year, and then if they think it's not the best fit, they can change to enrichment math and vice versa. And you also see the age groups for these classes on this diagram as well. So for example, MO1 through MO3 is for elementary school students, and above that is for middle and high school students. And if you can see, EM1 to EM4 roughly is for elementary students, and anything above that is for middle to high school students. Last but not least, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to the admin, and you can email them at admin@northwestchineseschool.org. Thank you for your time, and we really look forward to seeing your student or students in class.